Are you over 60 and feeling weaker than you should? What if I told you that one tiny addition to your water could instantly boost your muscle strength, stop hidden dehydration, and make your body feel decades younger? As we age, one of the most overlooked issues affecting our strength and overall health is something called hidden dehydration. Most people think that as long as they're drinking water throughout the day, they're fully hydrated, but that's not always true, especially for those over 60. Aging changes the way our bodies handle fluids. Our kidneys become less efficient at regulating water balance, and our thirst signals aren't as strong as they used to be. This means that even if you think you're drinking enough, your body might still be operating in a low hydration state without you realizing it. The consequences are subtle at first, but can have a big impact on muscle strength and daily function. Instead of showing obvious signs like a dry mouth or dizziness, hidden dehydration often makes muscles feel weak, joints stiff, and energy levels lower than they should be. You might notice that climbing stairs feels harder, carrying groceries leaves you fatigued, or even simple movements take more effort. This silent dehydration doesn't just affect muscles, it impacts your nervous system, making coordination slower and reflexes less sharp, which increases the risk of falls. It can also affect your metabolism, your body's ability to repair and maintain tissues, and your endurance during physical activities. Many older adults unknowingly live with this problem, thinking that feeling a little tired or weak is just part of getting older, when in reality, a large part of it could be corrected by addressing hydration at the cellular level. Proper hydration is not just about drinking water, it's about making sure your body can absorb it and deliver it to the muscles and organs that need it most. Without this, muscles are essentially deprived of the fluid and nutrients they need to contract efficiently and recover after activity, which slowly erodes strength, stamina, and overall vitality over time. One of the biggest reasons muscles start to feel weak as we age isn't just about losing mass, it's about lacking the essential minerals that allow muscles to function properly. Electrolytes like magnesium, potassium, calcium, and sodium aren't just optional nutrients. They're critical chemical messengers that tell your muscles when to contract, when to relax, and how to repair themselves after activity. Without enough of these minerals, your muscles can't generate the energy they need, which means even simple movements can feel exhausting or sluggish. Many older adults drink plenty of plain water, but water alone can't deliver these electrolytes in the right amounts to your cells, so your muscles remain undernourished despite staying hydrated. Magnesium, for example, plays a central role in over 300 chemical reactions in the body, many of which directly affect muscle contraction and energy production. Low magnesium can lead to cramps, spasms, and fatigue, and potassium helps maintain fluid balance and nerve signaling, which keeps muscles firing properly. Calcium isn't just for bones, it's essential for every contraction your muscles make, and sodium regulates the balance of fluids in and around your cells, which affects both hydration and strength. When these minerals are low, muscles become inefficient, coordination suffers, and energy levels drop, which is why some seniors find themselves tired after minimal effort or struggling to maintain stability. The fascinating part is that by replenishing these electrolytes in a way your body can absorb quickly, such as adding them to water, you're not just hydrating, you're feeding your muscles the exact signals and nutrients they need to function optimally. This isn't complicated or expensive, and the effects can be noticeable very quickly, especially when paired with gentle movement or exercise, because your muscles finally have the fuel to respond properly, recover efficiently, and regain the strength that aging might have quietly stolen. The real game changer for boosting muscle strength over 60 isn't some complicated supplement or expensive therapy. It's something as simple as adding a tiny pinch of magnesium-rich mineral salt to your water. This simple addition works on multiple levels, starting with hydration itself. Plain water can quench your thirst, but it doesn't carry the minerals your muscles need to function at their best. By adding a small amount of mineral salt, You're supplying electrolytes like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, which are crucial for muscle contractions, energy production, and overall strength. Magnesium, in particular, plays a key role in helping your muscles absorb water at a cellular level. So they don't just get hydrated, they get nourished. This makes your muscles more responsive, less prone to fatigue, and ready to perform even during simple daily activities like walking standing up or lifting light objects. What makes this hack even more powerful is that it works quickly. Many people notice an increase in energy, stability, and even coordination within days of starting this routine because their muscles are finally getting the hydration and minerals they've been missing. Warm water enhances this effect even further as it helps open your digestive system and allows the minerals to be absorbed more efficiently. Some people like to add a squeeze of lemon, not just for flavor, but because vitamin C helps support collagen, which keeps muscles, tendons, and joints flexible and resilient. The best part is that this is entirely safe when done in the right amounts. About a quarter teaspoon per glass of water is plenty. It's simple, inexpensive, and something you can start immediately without any special equipment. By making this small change, you're giving your muscles exactly what they need to work better, recover faster, and regain some of the strength that tends to decline naturally as we age, setting the stage for more energy and confidence in your daily life. Timing and consistency are just as important as what you put in your water when it comes to boosting muscle strength and staying hydrated over 60. Drinking your mineral-enriched water first thing in the morning can make a huge difference because overnight your body loses fluids and essential minerals while you sleep. Your muscles wake up slightly depleted, your energy stores are lower, and your coordination isn't at its peak. By sipping this enhanced water on an empty stomach, you're giving your body the tools it needs to start the day strong. Consistent use compounds the benefits, turning what seems like a tiny daily habit into a powerful routine that steadily improves a muscle function, endurance, and energy. Many older adults underestimate the impact of small, repeated actions, but when done every day, your muscles respond and adapt. This morning ritual also primes your body for light exercise or daily activity. Even simple movements like climbing stairs, walking around the house, or stretching feel easier when your muscles are properly hydrated and mineralized. Over time, this consistency doesn't just improve strength, it reduces fatigue, minimizes cramps, and supports better balance and coordination. Some people also sip a small glass before light workouts or physical therapy sessions, giving their muscles a boost that allows them to perform better and recover faster. The key is not to overcomplicate it. 1/4 teaspoon of mineral-rich salt in a glass of warm water each morning is all it takes to start noticing the difference. By making this a regular habit, your body begins to maintain better hydration throughout the day, muscles are more resilient, and energy levels stabilize. This simple, repeatable routine becomes a foundation for stronger, more responsive muscles, allowing you to move with confidence, maintain independence, and enjoy daily activities without feeling as if your body is holding you back. While adding minerals to your water is a powerful start, combining this simple hack with light resistance exercises can dramatically amplify the results for anyone over 60. Your muscles need stimulus to stay strong, and even gentle exercises like bodyweight squats, wall push-ups, or resistance band movements provide exactly that without overloading your joints. The difference is that when your muscles are already properly hydrated and enriched with electrolytes, these exercises become far more effective and easier to perform. You'll notice less fatigue, fewer cramps, and a better range of motion, which makes sticking to a routine much more enjoyable. This combination works because hydration and minerals prepare your muscles to respond to the exercise by improving contraction efficiency, energy production, and recovery. In other words, your muscles have the fuel they need to grow stronger rather than simply maintaining the status quo. Over time, even small daily sessions can lead to noticeable improvements in strength, endurance, balance, and stability, helping you perform everyday activities with greater ease and confidence. This is particularly important because as we age, maintaining independence in simple tasks like climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or walking longer distances becomes a key factor in overall quality of life. The synergy between properly hydrated, mineral-rich muscles and targeted exercises also reduces the risk of falls and injuries because your body moves more fluidly and reacts faster. What's remarkable is that you don't need long workouts or complicated routines. Just a few minutes a day with consistency, paired with your mineral water ritual, can produce significant results. Over weeks, your muscles start to feel stronger, your coordination improves, and your energy stabilizes throughout the day. This approach doesn't just slow the decline that comes with aging, it actively rebuilds strength, resilience, and confidence, giving you the freedom to enjoy your daily life without feeling held back by weakness or fatigue.